What's up guys, welcome back to one of my watch repair videos. Today I have, if you can just check the cap there, I don't want to flip this upside down because I didn't believe that this was an automatic watch, but this is an Octo automatic watch. Here we have it here, and you can see that it's still functioning. So this is a watch from the late 80s and it works. So I'm just going to put this back together and show you it working. What's up guys, I'm back. This is the Octo, really difficult, 21 joules, and then, oh sorry, I'm trying to use the 21 joules and then Missilemaster 1558-71613. Hang on, let me give this a shake. It does actually work, but it requires, there we go, a decent amount of kinetic energy to get it going. This is an old watch. This is my late grandmother's watch. So I don't have no idea, it could be from the 50s or 60s. I've never heard of this brand, Octo, and it's automatic, so it requires no batteries, but the kinetic movement on it is really weak, but maybe it needs a day of wear or something to get it going again. But yeah, it does work. I'm gonna try and I can't wear this watch unfortunately because this band is set at that size, but I'll see what I can do to see to get it back running, at least a day's worth of timekeeping at least. Alright guys, let's leave it there. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Remember to like, share, subscribe, join us on Discord, links are in the description. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.